If you sell handmade products, then chances are that you've run into this problem before where you spend hours and hours making something absolutely gorgeous and then you list it online or you sell it at a local market and people assume that it shouldn't cost as much as you are selling it for. And one of the biggest challenges with handmade businesses is pricing, because customers will often judge value based on how expensive something looks. But the good news is, and something that I wish that I knew sooner in my business, is that the most profitable handmade products are often very inexpensive to make, and they use small amounts of materials, simple tools, and relatively short production time. But with the right design choices and textures and presentation, they can look incredibly high end. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing several low-cost handmade product ideas that have much higher perceived value. And so these are really great if you want to improve your profit margin while creating products that also feel more premium, but still keep your material costs and production costs on the lower side. The first category is small art-inspired appliques and patches. And I know I really love this idea because at its core, it's all about creating small, lightweight pieces that function like miniature works of art. They're inexpensive to produce, but they carry a strong visual identity. You can also embrace your own art style with this one. And I know I've been talking about this a lot lately here on this channel, and that is that there's been a big shift toward personalization, where people want pieces that feel more unique to them rather than mass-produced pieces. And patches and small embellishments are a really nice and easy way in order to transform something simple into a nice expressive piece. You might create embroidered patches that are inspired by tattoo line work, or even mixed media designs that combine stitching, fabric, and paint. And what's really interesting is that the same idea shows up in high-end fashion. Embroidery and applique in particular have long been associated with couture because they require time and intention in order to make rather than just raw materials, which really reinforces that this style already reads as high-end. And what I really loved about this idea is that you can really feel free to experiment more, and then the presentation also really completes this shift. So you can take these nice patches and then mount them on a clean card and position them as wearable art or as collectible objects. And as we jump into product ideas, I want to talk about something that can completely change how your products are perceived, and that's the presentation. Because the reality of it is that even if your product is beautiful, the way that it's presented on your website really plays a huge role in whether it's seen as high-end or not. If you've ever tried to photograph handmade items, especially smaller pieces, you know that it can be a bit of a process. You need good lighting, clean setup, and multiple angles. And even then, sometimes the photos just don't do the product justice. But a really effective way to elevate your visuals is by using Snappy It. Snappy It is an AI-powered tool that helps you create clean, styled product images without needing a full photo shoot. You can just upload a photo of your product and it generates more refined, professional-looking visuals that you can directly use in shop listings. There are so many helpful ways to also display your garments if you're selling garments, which is great when I know I'm displaying my crochet wearables, from using the ghost mannequin setting to the fashion model, color change, face swap, flat lay, and you can even change the image into a video. And this is also really helpful if you're a jewelry maker. You can use the jewelry model and the jewelry retouching features. So what I went ahead and did was take a few of my crochet pieces and I ran them through Snappy It in order to create some product images, and I really loved the difference. It was really noticeable because the images came out looking a lot more cohesive and styled and polished, which immediately makes the crochet garment look a lot more premium. Instead of having to perfect my photography for each single product, I was able to spend more time with actually getting items listed. And if you're a fellow business owner, you know that that time saved really adds up. So this isn't just about making things look nicer. It really increases the perceived value of your listings and makes your shop have a higher end sort of look overall. So if you want to try it out, then definitely upload your own products into Snappy It and see how it transforms your visuals. And I'll have that link in the description box below if you want to check it out. And thank you, Snappy It, for sponsoring this video. So this next low-cost, high-end product idea is small batch design for tableware. So this includes things like coasters, ring dishes, small bowls, and even napkins and placemats. And it's a nice, really strong category because anything related to home and hosting is already associated with higher end lifestyle. And what really makes this a cool product idea is that these pieces can be made with very low cost materials. So for example, clay or simple cotton fabric or even a little bit of resin can go a long way when you're working at a smaller scale. And the idea here is to really focus on design rather than complexity. So instead of trying to create something really intricate, you really want to lean into your own aesthetic, and you can play with organic or slightly imperfect shapes or neutral color palettes or matte finishes or subtle textures and pull from other art forms here. So for example, hand painted napkins that are inspired by abstract art, or ceramic style dishes that are inspired by wabi-sabi design, or even coasters that incorporate pressed botanicals or minimal geometric patterns, and just really lean into whatever your specific aesthetic is. And these references really help the pieces to feel more like a curated design object instead of just a simple functional item. And so just like with the first category, presentation plays a really big role. When these items are styled as a set, like a bundle of coasters tied together or a small collection of table pieces grouped together as a hosting set, they feel more like an intentional collection and even giftable. And you can go from creating single items to a curated set, which also elevates the perceived value, even though the material cost is still relatively low. So the third product to explore is mini decor pieces, and this has the power to really have high-end potential. Mini decor includes things like tiny wall hangings, small sculptural objects, decorative tile pieces, mini planters, or even tabletop accessories like textured display pieces. And what makes them all feel high-end is artistic direction, because these pieces occupy a space that feels artistic and collectible, and they can really tap into the same appeal that you see in galleries and boutique home stores. You can pull inspiration from fine art, abstract sculpture, mid-century modern design, or even just minimal aesthetics, or whatever your aesthetic is. And so for example, a tiny sculptural form with an interesting silhouette or a hand textured mini wall hanging can feel like something that you find in a contemporary design shop. So just like with other categories, you're combining low material costs with thoughtful design and presentation, which will allow them to sell for more and have that nice high-end appeal. Okay, so the next product idea is functional accessories with artistic flair. So these are pieces that you use every day but can have a curated design appeal, and this also makes them feel useful, and they also elevate the space around them. Some examples include things like small holders for jewelry, keys, utensils, or candles, and even decorative wall hooks or sculptural knobs. And these are items that people interact with regularly, so they have this built-in sense of utility, but when they're thoughtfully designed, they also feel like mini pieces of art. And because the scale is small, the material cost will also stay low. And the key again is design direction over complexity. So organic or geometric shapes, subtle texture, and refined finish go a long way toward making a functional object feel more premium. And another great object here is to offer these pieces in small sets or collections, like I've mentioned with the other product ideas. So for example, you could have a desk organizer set or a trio of candle holders or a match hook and knob pair. And then when you sell them as a group, they have that nice consistent design language, and it just feels more curated, and it's easier to price higher as well as a collection. So when these functional accessories are combined with everyday usefulness, it has a really nice intentional design quality about it, and it gives customers a sense of practicality and elevated style. So those are the 4 types of low-cost handmade products that have a high-end appeal: art-inspired appliques, small batch tableware, mini decor pieces, and functional accessories with artistic flair. And the common thread across all of these are combining intentional design and thoughtful presentation with small-scale production. And when the material cost is low, these elements make your products seem higher quality. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a like and also subscribe and click the bell to join back up with me each week for more videos like this. And also check out the Entrepreneur playlist next. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you'll join me in the next one.